Hello Techies! Welcome to our another video series of Power Automate Desktop. In this session, we will learn how to work with our renaming data table actions like create new data table, insert row into data table, find or replace in data table action, update data table item action, delete row from data table action item. As our previous video guys, we have already learned how to create new data table using create new data table action. If you guys did not watch this video yet, I will recommend it to you guys, go and watch for your better understanding. I will put down the link in the description and go and watch guys. After this all the activity, we will create one use case guys here, how to replace rupees to dollar from entire column in Excel using find or replace in data table actions. So let's go to Power Automate Desktop and see all this activity one by one guys, and let's implement guys. Now I am on Power Automate Desktop guys. For our time saving, I have already created a flow for all those activities. So let me explain first insert row into data table, and then we will execute this code and see what is the output of this flow guys. First of all, I have already discussed in our previous video guys how to create new data table activity. Let's click and open and see what is the value exactly right now. There are three value available in data table, and the data table name is here guys student dt. So let's insert one more row in this data table guys, student dt. So for this there is one action here guys, insert row into data table. So let's click and see what is the properties of this action guys. As you can see guys, here the parameter of this activity is data table. Here we need to mention dt, and here you can mention there is a two-way to insert a row into data table using insert row into data table activity. Let me explain one by one guys. Here before row index or end of the data table, we will discuss first end of the data table. After this we will also discuss about before row index. Okay guys, so here is the way to insert the row into data table. So let's click on save and run this, and after I am using display message. Here is the here in this property I am mentioning a student info, and here is the dt, and after I have given 3 seconds, it is automatically closed after 3 seconds. So let's click on save and let's run this flow guys. So I am running this flow now. Here your flow is executed successfully guys, as you can see here, and also you can see guys here. Let's click on here and see guys, here another row is inserted in this data table guys. So our first scenario is covered now. Let's discuss in another way how to insert data into data table with column index guys. So let's disable this action first, and I have already created flow for this guys. Let's enable for this one, and here you can see guys, I am only selecting here before row index. Here this value is added before row index 1. So let's run this flow guys and see what is the output of this flow. So I am running now. Your flow is executed successfully guys. Let's see the output of this flow guys. Here you can click, here you can see guys, fail is row number 1 is inserted in data table guys. So our first action is completed guys, insert row into data table action. Let's move to another one guys, and our another one is delete row from data table action. Here let's enable this and see what is the parameter of this action. Let's click and see, here you can delete the row on the basis of row index guys. So here I am deleting now. This flow is deleting basically first row. So let's click on save. Here I am mentioning data table, and let's click on save, and here as already I have told about this action guys, display message. Let's run and see what is the output of this flow guys. Now your flow is running, and also your flow is completed guys, and see guys, there are 2 records available. Also you can see here guys, one row is deleted. See guys, Anshul is not available in this data table guys. So our second data table action is also completed guys. Let's move to another one guys. Let's disable first this action. Let give me a second, guys. I am disabling this action and enabling update. Our another action is update data table item, guys. Let's enable both these and see what is the parameter of this action, guys. Let's open update data table item. Here is the parameter, guys. Data table. Here you can mention data table and column. You can mention which column you want to update the value, and also row. You can mention the row and new value. So these are the properties and parameter of update data table item. Let's see what is the output of this flow, guys. And as here is, I am just mentioning data table and displaying it, display message action, guys. Let's run and see what is the output of this action, guys. So your flow is executed successfully, guys. You can see here what value is here. The value is updated 475. Before you can see what is the value of Anshul is here. You can see, guys, 250 2250 is for while we are creating data table. That time the value is 255. After updating, the value is 475. So our another action is also completed, guys. Let's move to another action and see how we can perform another data table action, guys. So another and the last action is find or replace in data table action. Let's enable this and see what is the output of this flow, guys. So I am enabling this right now and see, guys, I am just what is the value, what is the parameter and properties of this action, guys. See data table search mode. Here there is two way. We can also discuss another way, find and replace. So and all matches. If you want to match all this value, then you can click select or unselect text to find which text you want to find. You can mention here, guys. For if you are using regex, then you can click this and you can use in our flow, guys. Match cases, if you are searching for alphabet upper or lower case, if you want to avoid this thing, that times you can check this checkbox, guys. If you want to match entire cell content, then you can just click this properties, guys. And here there are also a two way to search by everywhere or by column. We will discuss in both way, guys. Let's see what is the output of this flow, guys. So I am enabling this message box and see what is the output of this flow, guys. So now I am going to run this flow, guys, and you can see what is the output of this flow, guys. So your flow is executed successfully, guys. 0 and 3 row ko your value is available on 0 or 0 row and column 3 your value is available. Let's see in data table is that correct or not, guys. Here you can see, guys, your 0 and 3 first is available on this data table, guys. So let's discuss how to use another way using this action, guys. So let's I am first disable this action, guys, and enabling another one I have already created, guys. Here is this one is for another one, guys. Here you can see, guys, I am using here search by column name and column index or name. You can mention here column name or column index here, guys. So I am mentioning now column index 3 and just check and just run the flow and see what is the output of this flow, guys. So I am running this flow now. So you can see, guys, your flow is executed successfully as before. You have already seen this same value 0 and 3 where your text is found, guys. So our another way of find or replace in data table action is also completed, guys. Let's discuss another one, last one, guys. Here I am also disabling this one with this activity, guys, to update here find or replace. If first found, then we are going to replace with merit. Okay, guys. And also we see about search by column index or name. So let's go and see what is the output of this flow, guys. I am enabling this and I am going to run this flow, guys. So you can see, guys, your flow is executed successfully. Let's go and see what is the output. Here is your output, guys. You can see, guys, here your value is updated, guys. After if first is found, then your value is updated. First instead of first, here we can mention our flow is mentioned merit. So guys, we have completed all the data table action. I hope it is useful for you guys. Now let's discuss our use case guys. On this basis of these actions, we will create one use case guys, and our use case is here. You can see guys, our use case is how to replace rupees to dollar from entire column in Excel using find or replace data table actions. So let's go to pad again and see how to do this use case guys. I am now on pad again guys, and for our time saving I have already created a flow for this. Let me explain first and then see what is the result of this flow guys. First I am using launch Excel action guys, and after this I am using read from Excel worksheet action. After this I am using find or replace in data table action. As previous we have learned this action guys, and after this action I am using write to Excel worksheet for writing our changes data to Excel spreadsheet. And after this I am using close Excel so that our open Excel is closed by this action. So first I am open this launch action guys. Here you can see guys, I am launching this Excel guys. As you can see here, I am just saying you guys here is our product detail guys. Here is the file name. Here you can see guys, product name and price. Here you can see in price column section guys, rupees symbol is available. So our use case is instead of rupees we will replace rupees to dollar. That is our use case guys. So let's close this first, and after running this flow you can see guys, and also our result is storing in this worksheet guys. And see, let's run this flow and see what is the output of this flow guys. See, after this I am just read this, I am using this activity guys. See, I am using regex for finding text rupees and replace text to replace with dollar. And already I have told you about this action guys. This action, all parameter I have already explained you guys. So let me run first and see what is the output of this flow guys. So I am running this flow. So your flow is running and your flow is executed successfully guys. Let's go to Excel spreadsheet and see what is the output of this flow guys. Here I am opening now. Now you can see guys, here instead of rupees symbol, here our flow is replace rupees to dollar. So that is our agenda guys. As you can see here, our use case is how to replace rupees to dollar from entire column in Excel using find or replace in data table action. So our use case is completed guys. I hope you understood this code. So thank you for watching this video guys. If you have any question or concern, just put down in a comment section so that our team is trying to resolve that question guys.